Okay, here we go. I'm going to walk you through a basic pricing. I have already downloaded the PDF and opened it. It is important to remember this 1/4 inch equals a foot detail. And the other thing we're looking for here is that in this left, we see page 2 is the foundation plan. This guy calls this a basement plan. So the next step is to import this into AutoCAD. So here we are, we're in our AutoCAD. We're going to import that PDF. Select page 2. A scale of 1/4 inch means you got to scale it 48 times larger. And you can figure that out on your own. So there's our drawing. So I usually at this point like to go and get rid of all this fluff. Now I like to move this so that the corner of my foundation starts at point 0, 0. I can only share one monitor at a time in the program I'm using. So I'm going to move this over so you won't be able to see it. Now we're going to start tracing the foundation. Here's a nice little detail. What's going on here? When I imported this PDF, I gave it a scale 48. It was not close enough, okay? Because see here, I'm actually way out. I am out by 7/8 of an inch right there. So what we can do in this case, so we're going to select everything and we're going to do a scale function. There we go. Now let's move this back to 0, 0. Is we should end up back where we started. If you end up back where you started, you did it right. Okay, that's done. So we'll save this. And we'll move on to importing it into SketchUp for the next part. Okay, here we are. So this is the stage where we're going to extract all the actual information. We've got an accurate plan representation of our foundation. Now we're going to make a 3D model of it. So this is where it all starts. And it's handy to have a piece of paper beside you because as you go along, you're going to gather some information. Some slopes drawn on here. So as I said, I've got about half an hour into this job pricing. Now we're going to put all that information into my spreadsheet. Oh, we do need that off the PDF. What's the address? Oh, McCosh Hill. They're on Kinloss. 77 kilometers. They don't actually do tire wrap, so we need to get rid of those numbers. They use their own guy for that, so let's get rid of that. And at this point, I've got 40 minutes approximately. Might take me another 5 minutes, so 45 minutes. That's basically it. And that's pricing.